Hi everybody, welcome back to All DIY, No Skills. So this is what we're left with after dethatching. As you can see, we pulled up a lot of old dead grass. And this is all junk that we want to get out of the grass before we do our aerating and our overseed. Also opens up the soil a little bit so you have better seed to soil contact. Now I did manage to find the bagger for the Sun Joe. Remember I told you that the Sun Joe came with the bagger? This is the thing that they give you. This is ridiculous. Look at all this stuff that we pulled up out of the grass. And they expect you to put it in this. You're gonna be emptying this stupid thing every 15-20 seconds. So my advice is, if you're using this machine, ditch the bagger, set the back flap to be up a little bit, and just dump everything right onto the lawn. Now in the next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean up all this old dead grass, all the thatch. Now to do this, you could either do it by hand with a rake and a leaf blower, or if you have a mower that has a bagging attachment, just go over this a few times. It's gonna collect all this stuff. And trust me, it's just a lot easier to have a bagger. Makes life so much more convenient, and it makes it a lot faster. Look at all this stuff. So that'll be the next part, cleaning up the lawn and getting it ready for our core aeration. But yeah, trust me, if you're gonna be dethatching, make sure you have a mower that has a bagger. Otherwise, you're gonna be spending a lot of time and effort raking this stuff up and trying to clean it up with the leaf blower. All right, thanks again. Take care.